Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making delicious bitter leaf soup, aka Ofe Onugbo. So keep watching and let's do this. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. First I'm going to cook my choice of proteins, chives and beef. I will introduce other proteins later. I will add seasoning cubes and salt. Mix very well to combine and allow it to cook. While that is cooking, I will wash my cocoyam really well, add enough water to cover and allow it to cook until soft. Once that is done, I will blend and set aside. Next, I check on the proteins and add dried fish and stockfish. Add little water, cover and allow it to cook for a while. Once that is done, I will add the blended cocoyam. I added palm oil while blending. I'm going to add more palm oil, scotch bonnet pepper, ogiri igbo, grounded uziza seed, and crayfish. I will mix very well to combine and allow it to cook for at least 6 to 8 minutes. 8 minutes later, I check on it and love the consistency. Next, I will add my well-washed bitter leaf, seasoning cube, and crayfish. I will mix very well to combine and allow it to cook for 3 to 5 minutes. And we are done. It turned out so delicious. I hope you give it a try. This soup is best paired with pounded yam. That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!